Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman po ako ngayon for another vlog. So for today's video ay magki-create tayo ng eye makeup look. Since doon naman sa mga previous video ko is more on reviewing and testing ng mga product. So bigla ko guys naisip na gumawa o mag-film ng makeup tutorial. Kasi ang tagal ko na din na hindi nag-film ng pag-makeup. Since 2020 na, and naisip ko na mag-create ng makeup look na gamit yung color blue. Since yun yung color of the year, so yun na lang ang gagawa natin ng eye makeup tutorial. So yun guys, without any further ado, just paglalagay ng moisturizer sa face. Ilagay ko yung Lux Organics na soothing gel, aloe vera, and snake. Start tayo sa paglalagay ng foundation. So, yung gagamitin ko guys na foundation, yung Everbilena All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade of Silk. And gagamit ako ng damp sponge. Next na ilalagay natin guys yung concealer. Ang gagamitin ko na concealer yung Eliger Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade of Natural. And for the blush on, bet kong gamitin guys yung Kiss Ink kaysa sa powder blush on. Itong Kiss Ink ng Lunar Organics in the shade of Crease. Magsiset tayo guys ng face gamit yung Niche the Final Powder in the shade of Creamy Glow. Gagamitin ko guys na pangkilay itong Brows on Fleek ng Girl Boss in the shade of Dark Brown. And papatungan ko siya nitong brow mascara ng Vice. Shade naman niya is Natural Brown. And magpa-primer tayo guys gamit yung concealer. And isi-set natin guys yung concealer ng setting powder. And for the eyeshadow guys, ang gagamitin ko itong Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow ng Beauty Glaze. So ayan siya guys. Sinabi ko kanina yung bala kong gawing look, yung color blue. Since yun naman yung color of the year ngayong 2020. Bala ko itong pinaka light blue, yun yung gagawin kong transition shade. And next one guys, itong dark blue na shade. And gagamit tayo guys ng concealer. And for the contour guys, ang gagamitin ko itong Vice in the shade of Confused. And for the highlighter guys, ang gagamitin ko yung Vice Aura Glow in the shade of Splendid. Gagamitin ko guys itong cut liner ng Embelly. For the mascara guys, ang gagamitin ko yung Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. And for the lips guys, ang gagamitin ko yung Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade of Wallflower. This is the final look guys. Naninibago ako guys sa outcome ng ginawa kong makeup. Nakakapanibago at parang nag-iba yung itsura ko. Ayan guys. Pero nagawa ko naman ng maayos yung eye makeup. Pasensya na ko guys kasi maingay yan dito yung anak ko.
Hi guys! Darnel!
Kulit mo kulay. I hope nag-enjoy kayo guys sa ginawa kong makeup tutorial. Sana kung nagustuhan nyo, please give this video a thumbs up. And kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, make sure na mag-subscribe na kayo guys. And click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong video. So yun guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!